All right, we're doing a cold start of the 1987 Cosworth Mercedes 190E. Okay, here we go. Here you can see the car. Okay, there you go. The car was repainted about 5 years ago. Here's Charlie, the mechanic. You can shut it down. Okay, so tell me what you've done in the interior.
The interior has a new dashboard in it, but it has all of the HVAC vacuum actuators all throughout and have been replaced. Then it's got new seats have been installed.
And these are OEM Mercedes covers,
These
correct?
are Recaro recovers for
Yes.
the seats. I replaced the C pillar covers, the B pillar covers, the hat rack and stuff. Of course, nice new rear seats as well.
Nice. The carpets are nice.
Yeah, I've steam cleaned the carpets. They'll come back clear with the seats and everything out. And I've lubricated the motors for the windows and the seats.
Can you open the trunk? Okay.
There's the knee bolster for under the driver's side. They don't fit for me with
Okay.
my height and stuff.
There you
This
go.
mirror, front license cover.
What did you do to the SLS system?
I replaced the struts, the accumulators, the valve, and a couple of the high pressure lines.
Okay.
And it's all brand new under there. The linkage from the sway bar to the valve is new. And then up front it's got stock Mercedes-Benz shock absorbers, but they were brand new from Mercedes.
Nice.
Spec for the Cosworth.
Okay, here's some crummy video underneath. There's no rust.
Yeah, there's no rust anywhere on the car.
No.
There's a few spots maybe around the battery tray.
Right, but
Down in the spare tire well.
it's nice. Okay.
There's nothing other than the body's got no rust, none.
All right. Well, I think I think
I went as far as to replace these and rebuild these. I rebuilt the motors, I replaced the wiper blades, I've put all new hoses and lines in.
nice.
It's got new fuel injectors in it with shrouds and O-rings.
Does
It's
the
got new fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel accumulator.
what's the status of the AC?
The AC probably needs a recharge with the 134, but last we had it running, it was chilling and working.
Okay. All right. This car can be yours. If you want to discuss it, call Rick 706-540-3285. That's Rick 706-540-3285. And it's about March 29th, 2021.